How to generate AI summaries with n8n. So in here, we can see our actual workflow on n8n. I have in here my trigger, which is it triggers every day, every midnight. And in here, I have my form submission. So when someone submitted a form, I want to create an AI summary based on their answer. So to do that, click onto this plus icon. And then after that, click onto the search and search right here for summary. You should be able to find it right here, which is the summarize option. So we can also create an AI summary if you want to integrate other AI options, such as other things like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. So it actually depends on what kind of actual thing or model you want to make. I want to use OpenAI for this. So for this, I'll head over right here to these options. Let's choose right here this text action, and let's click onto this message on model. Now this will add that node into here. Just choose right here the credential that you want to create. You have the resource and the operation is message on model. So choose right here the model that you want. So it will load the list for that. And once it's been added, enter right here the prompt, which is to summarize the answer on form. Put in here the role, simplify the output, and also change right here the settings that based on your liking. Once you head back, we have now this. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.